Top 5 tips for the keto diet. 1. Keep your net carb intake low. The ketogenic diet is based on eating very low carb foods. Keep your net carb intake below 50 grams per day to achieve and maintain ketosis. 2. Increase your healthy fat intake. Healthy fats are a cornerstone of the keto diet, as they provide energy and support ketosis. Some great sources of healthy fats include nuts, seeds, avocados, olive oil and fatty fish. 3. Don't forget about protein. While the keto diet is high in fat, it's important to get enough protein to maintain muscle mass. Good sources of protein on a keto diet include eggs, meat, poultry and seafood. 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is important on any diet, but especially on the keto diet. Make sure you're drinking enough water to keep your body hydrated and functioning properly. 5. Track your macros. To ensure you're staying within your carb, protein and fat goals, it's a good idea to track your macros using a food tracking app. Follow us on your favorite